mining with the Grass app, then yeah, you should know this. There is an update about Grass token, like Grass app. Before we have been mining only on your laptop with Grass Windows app, like the desktop app, and the other one was like the extension one. And so there is a new release. Now you can mine Grass token from your mobile phone as well. There is an Android version you can download, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, go to your browser and type getgrass.io, and when you enter the address, you will be redirected to the Grass website. And yeah, then you have to sign in to your Grass account. Now after you sign in, open your dashboard. Then OTP is being sent to my email address. Go to your email address, copy the OTP, one-time password, and come back and paste it over here. After you paste your OTP, you'll be redirected to the Grass dashboard. And then come down where you can see your overall activities. This is the profile menu. You can see download for Windows. If you have not download for Windows, you can do so for Windows also, but I'm going to download for Android, which will give me 3 times more points. And yeah, you can see the Grass Android app. Press the download button, and you will be asked to download a APK file. This person too. Now the APK file is being downloaded. After it's downloaded, you click that file, then install it with the package. And yeah, the Grass APK file is being installed. It's installing, and yeah, it's finally installed. Now open the app, and all you have to do is you can see them up required. They're required now. You need to disable battery optimization option. You also need to allow notification in your mobile, and also allow cellular connection if you are using mobile data. After all that, again sign in to your app. You will be sent a OTP to verify your login session. Go to your email address and copy the recently arrived OTP. Copy and then paste in your login page in the app. After you sign in, now you start earning from your mobile as well through the Android app. You can see the Grass mobile app is in device type is earning 3 times. And yeah, in this way now you also can earn from the mobile app in Grass. So yeah, my tire is now I'm diamond. Yeah, stage 2 capturing the wave, stage 1 building the. Now we are at the stage 2 section. You can see the earnings. till now. Yes, thank you.